Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna share a very valuable information about making YouTube video, especially if you are confused about copyright claims regarding background music for your videos. I will suggest you to watch this video till end, so you will have conceptual clarity about this issue. YouTube is no more a source of entertainment for many people. Many of the people use YouTube as a source of entertainment. Some people use this for the sake of education to get some knowledge, and but at the same time, uh, if you're running a YouTube channel, it's really a different world. YouTube is a different world for you. It will help you to interact with the rest of the world, and at the same time it gives you an opportunity to earn really a very good amount of money and on regular basis. And after some specific time, you don't need to spend too much of your time uh, to earn that money. Definitely it will help you to explore yourself, to take out yourself from your circle, from your inner. At the same time, it provides you opportunity to interact with other YouTubers and also with rest of the world. And for sure, if you are running a YouTube channel, you can feel it will make you more and more confident as your channel grows, as you make more and more videos. It will make you much more confident. But at the same time, making YouTube videos is challenging. There are many challenges we will discuss in our later videos, one by one, and I will try to provide you the solutions, uh, how to solve those problems. But one of the very basic and main problem, which especially new YouTubers, they face the problem that where to get a good background music. If you are making a video, if you are making a vlog, if you are making about a cooking video, or you are making a makeup tutorial, you need a good background music to engage your viewers. So where you can find a good background music, and more specifically that music should be copyright free. So first of all, let's go to YouTube. First of all, the first source of copyright free music is YouTube itself. It provides you many of the tracks which are totally free, which you can simply download from YouTube, and you can use those tracks as a background music in your videos. Actually, YouTube recommends you to use that music. It encourages you to use that music. What you all need to do, simply you will open YouTube web, then you will go to YouTube library. You will click on your channel. You simply go there. You will you will go to your channel, and then when you will come to your channel, this will be on the left side of your channel setting. You will see on the lower bottom this audio library section. Just give me a minute. Yes, on the left side you will have this audio library section. Click on that. You will have this kind of interface. Here there are a lot of tracks which are totally free, which you can use in your YouTube videos as a background music. And if you want to find out some specific type, simply you can search out here. You can, if you know the name of, if you know the title of some track, simply you can search by track. Or if you want to choose genre, you can simply go there. Like you can choose genre. Like if you're making some relaxing music, you need some background music for your tutorials of your makeup videos, you can simply use jazz music. If you are sharing some nature videos, you can use some ambient music. There are different genre, you can simply search that out. And after that, you can filter those sounds, you can filter that music according to the mood. You can select angry mood, you can select bright, calm, dark, dramatic, funky, happy, inspirational, romantic, sad. There is a list of different modes of music. And then you can also search it out by the artist name. If you know the name of artist, simply you can search the name of that artist to whom you like the music of. Like if you like some artist music, you can search by his or her name. And one more thing, you can also choose a duration. If you need some longer tracks, you can search from duration. The longer tracks, you can filter them out on the basis of their duration. And there are two types of music here. One type of music you can use without any attribution. You don't need any attribution. And sometime attribution is required. You just simply in the description section of your videos, you need to credit that creator. That's all. Simply, what kind of music you want to choose, you simply go there and you can download directly from here. Also there are some sound effects are also there, like kids playing, car driven, daytime. There are different types of sound effects, but frankly speaking, according to my opinion, this is not of good quality.